I have just made the brilliant decision to keep myself on track and accountable, and so I don't cheat. It's honestly so I don't cheat. I'm gonna start daily vlogging what I eat. A little bit of background. I'm trying to find good lighting. A little bit of background on me. I've been doing keto for about 3 weeks. First week I did super great. Second week, not so great. Third week, not so great. Like, I'm still on it. I just have incorporated a couple more carbs than I would like to. So we're gonna keep ourselves on track by vlogging everything. So we're doing low carb, yummy veggies, yummy everything, fruits, veggies, and meat. So I'm gonna flip you around and show you what is for breakfast. All right, so for breakfast we've got 4 strips of bacon sizzling away. I do my eggs, and I whip them super good with a little bit of sour cream. And trick for eggs is you want to make sure that it all goes through the fork without, like, that's a clump of membrane that you can't really get rid of. But, like, you don't want that one big chunky guy. So this is perfect. And I add some cheese, like a handful of cheese, and I put in some spinach. And I always have that frozen because spinach goes bad so fast, but this lasts forever. And I got some coffee brew in. I've also got these guys up here. They're the sugar-free, like, syrups. I have vanilla, hazelnut, and you can't tell, but that says raspberry. I don't have enough hands to, like, maneuver that. So we're gonna have some coffee, bacon, and eggs this morning. And I always dress my eggs. Welcome to my ghetto fridge. I always dress my eggs with some hot sauce. Do you like this meal? She's got a little bit of a cold, so she's so boogery. Oh, she's got my keto strips. She's always playing with them. Oh, and now you want the hot sauce? Oh, they're married. Okay. Okay, everything's ready. We're just gonna get some hot sauce on this ish. Yes. And then we're gonna pour ourselves a good, nice cup of coffee. Yes. Ooh, look at that steam. And then, of course, we have the heavy whipping cream. Yum. And I'm gonna do a raspberry vanilla combo today. This raspberry smells so good. And then vanilla. Ooh, to the brim. Okay, breakfast is served.
I'm over here in the kitchen. I didn't think I was gonna get up on Saturday at 6. I said I'm doing it this week.
I'm headed to class right now, and I'm gonna eat this. While I'm in class, it's my snack. Yay! Look what was on my bed today. Juliana's helping me open it. What is it?
You see it.
Do you have a knife? That you used. Oh! It's some Ralph. Open. I got a bag. It's so cute. Did she just start the vacuum? Oops. Are you okay? Okay, Chef de Cuisine, please tell me what's for dinner.
Nothing special that you don't know.
What's in the pot?
Food,
What's it made out of?
beef.
Beef and some sauce. And then he's eating it with rice, but I'm gonna make myself some cauliflower rice. Woo! So let me go ahead and do that. I'm freezing to death, by the way. I almost crushed a baby. Thank you. Whoop, do you wanna cook? Thank you. Go cook. She's giving it to Dad. Hey, to make the cauliflower, it steams in a bag, so you just stab it with a fork. I'm gonna do it like twice. And then you put it in a dish. I'm doing this. Bag, bowl, whatever. And then microwave it for 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna grab that. Juliana's screaming. And it's kind of hot. So we're just gonna take it over here. And to season it, I have a little bit of Mrs. Dash. The yellow kind is the best kind, and a little bit of salt. Okay, what is this? I don't know what this is. This foreign is. Oh, no. Okay. So just add a little bit of that. And then a little bit of that. And then mix it up. And I mix it in a bowl that I can just pop a lid on and reheat and reuse later, because I'm not going to eat all of this in one sitting. I'm very new to low carb, so if you have any great recipes, hit me up. Okay, so we're just going to take some of this. Why am I doing this? Is too hard. I'm gonna just. Okay, there we go. So this is dinner, and that is all I'm eating today. So I'll see you tomorrow.